We all know that change is hard. Doing it well can lead to a competitive advantage. Doing it poorly, and projects, careers, or even your organization's survival can be at stake. Over 100,000 leaders in the past decade have turned to ExperienceChange to become better at change. ExperienceChange is a faster, safer, more focused way to build change expertise. Using a unique learning by doing approach, you'll be challenged to roll up your sleeves and work as a member of a team on a realistic change project. You'll start by gathering perspectives from a wide range of stakeholders, each with their own biases and agendas. Where do they stand? Build your plan and then put it to the test. What works? What doesn't? Will you come out on top? But don't worry, you're not alone. Guided by a certified facilitator, your team will learn to connect the dots and commit to immediate action. Whether integrated into a leadership program, project kickoff, or large-scale event, ExperienceChange is an easy, high-impact way to boost your organization's change capability. What's the best way to learn change? Experience it.